everybody, my name is Jasmine and I am a coach who helps women live life on their terms. I am at Salina's Insider Mastermind here in Miami. Woo! I would say that the most powerful part of being in Salina's Insider's Mastermind was really the opening up and sharing and the vulnerability. This wasn't just about getting strategic in terms of building a business. It was about the identity you need to have to be the business owner you want to be. We opened up by really setting the vision for the business you want to create. We talked about our fears. What are we scared of in terms of stepping into the business owner we want to be? And that's at the stage for opening us all up to think about what kind of business we want, what pivots we wanted to make, what strategies we wanted to implement. So this is the kind of mastermind that isn't just going to be strategy. It's going to be that, but it's also going to be about who you are, who you want to become, and how you need to up level to be the person you truly want to be to make the impact you should be making in the business world. You know, I came to Salina's Mastermind and I was really stuck in my business. I have been in the career and job search space for many years, and I've been contemplating my own change, my own reinvention, what's next for me. And I was honestly too scared to make that leap. And through this mastermind, I got the support from the other business coaches from Salina to really be able to step out into what my strengths, my power, and my passion are in the business world. Through this, I was able to really sketch out, what does that change mean for me? What does that reinvention mean for me in my business? And I also have all of the ideas on how to make that pivot happen, to have the money to create this new business. But what are those first round offers that I want to create as well? I would recommend Salina to anyone. Her energy is infectious. Her positivity completely lifts you up, but she will sit there, break down your business, strategize with you, and build it back up. So with Salina's Mastermind, you are going to have someone who's going to sit there and strategize every step of the way with you. Her brain is complete brilliance in terms of mapping out everything you need to do front end to back end. I feel so confident in not just pivoting my business, but I feel confident in scaling my business. And the experts that she brought together here in this mastermind, I mean, it was about the other business owners, it was about Salina, but it was also about the experts being in the room strategizing with us. This is something that you just don't get anywhere else.
Hi, I'm Dana YK Chan, founder of My Marketability. I'm a personal branding expert and a business marketing coach, where I help coaches show up authentically, communicate with confidence, and differentiate with unique value. I'm so excited to be here at Salina Young's Mastermind here in Miami, where I get to learn, share, and collaborate with wonderful entrepreneurs. My favorite part of this mastermind is really connecting with some amazing and talented entrepreneurs to really learn about their business models, their offerings, to help me to dream bigger of what's possible. My biggest takeaway from this mastermind is to really focus on my zone of genius and what lights me up, and to do work that's really going to want to make a huge impact in this world. This mastermind is for you if you're feeling a bit lost in your direction, not sure what your current avatar is, or not sure what your offer is, or need a bit of help with your messaging. Salina's going to walk you through step by step and helping you get clear on your messaging, your offer, your marketing, sales strategy, and also ultimately helping you deliver results to your clients. Salina is an amazing business mentor. She is one of the most authentic, kind, genuine people that you want in your life. She truly cares. She wants you to succeed, and she can really help you connect the dots to help you get from point A to point Z. So I highly recommend working with Salina.
Insider, ooh, love my stuff so far and wanted more? I got you. This episode is sponsored by the Insider Suite Experience, our bundle offer of all our signature LinkedIn programs. The most comprehensive A to Z approach designed for maximum business impact using only LinkedIn. To fully uniting your personal brand, PBB, content marketing, CCS, strategic offers and social selling, LBA, to support your 5 to 6 figure business revenue goal. The only program that includes live coaching with me, yours truly, the In Academy team. Unlock this dynamic LinkedIn learning experience today. I cannot wait to see you inside. As for now, let's head back to the episode.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm over here at Salina's Insider Experience, and for myself, I'm a project management leadership success coach, and I have found it this weekend to be absolutely amazing, where I've been able to connect with other creators and also be able to share a lot of different ideas. And for me, the biggest takeaway was getting a lot of clarity on what my offering is, what my strategy is moving forward, and it's been so enlightening to be able to go through that, be able to validate it with other entrepreneurs, understanding how to be able to actually make it happen. For me,
Hi, I'm Linda Huang. I'm here at Salina's Insider Mastermind Summit and welcome you all to Miami, Florida. And I'm so excited to be here and learning from the Mastermind group. My biggest takeaway is I noticed that I was playing small, and being the mastermind helped me look at my next vision and my mission and purpose. I want to empower more women to own their brilliance and do their work and mission around the world. However, by me playing small, I'm not giving them the opportunity to find me and reach me so I can help them and that we can impact the world. My mission, I just love that, to help that spark, that brilliance inside of each woman I work with, and their own spark can bring it to their people, and that just together we can light up the universe, the galaxy, and help the whole world be a better place. I recommend Salina because I found her on social media. Just the energy, just the connection I made from her without even being a person. And there's so much value I gotten from showing up on LinkedIn, showing as a business owner and entrepreneur, and now at an in-person event that elevate me and my thinking and building community and the network that I'll be working with and helping each other, empowering, supporting, encourage each other. That's so invaluable that you cannot do this alone. Being an entrepreneur, especially someone who's working while building a business, it can be so lonely at times, and it's so amazing that you actually can find people that you can connect with. You're not alone, and you can go together to bigger and better places together.